Hello guys, welcome back to Saikat's tutorial. Today I will show you my top 5 picks of Visual Studio Code extensions. These extensions might be useful for you during development of Angular projects. So let's get started. At the top of the list we have Angular Language Service. I mainly use this extension for code completion. For example, if we open dashboard component and in implement statement, if we simply type on, it will suggest all possible options. On selection of that option, it will automatically import that class or service. Since onChanges is implemented, we can easily see it is suggesting ng onChanges function. Similar way, if we want to use some pipe in a HTML or template, it will suggest for that option. Here we can use async, currency, date, anything. So all these are from Angular Language Service. My second pick in this list is Debugger for Microsoft Edge. Before we start debugging, make sure the app is running. To set it up, let's go to Debugger option from the left side toolbar. Click Create a JSON file and select Edge Launch. Our port will be 4200 where our app is running. Now click on this play button to start the debugger. It will open up the browser instance. We can put a debugger point in any of our file. Let's take sign in component and put a debugger on line number 26. Then we can try sign in from here. After giving the information, email and password, when you click sign in, it goes to the debugger. The program execution is halted, and if you mouse over to any of the variable, it will show the value of that. For example, here form.valid is true. Here you will find lot of debugging options. You can play with it. At number 3 we have Git Lens. Git Lens is very useful to check when I have committed something or when my peer has committed something. It will open up a pop-up or inline message whenever we mouse over to some line that describes when and why it was committed. At number 4 we have REST client for VS Code. Using REST client we can test different type of APIs. I already have set up a Node.js API which is running on port 8080. Now let's check how we can call this API using VS Code REST client. The file extension must be .rest or .http. You can put it anywhere in your project folder. I have created a very simple GET request where base URL is a variable. To call this API, simply have to select the GET request and right click and click on Send Request. This will fetch the HTTP response in a new tab. At number 5 we have Mysql Extension. Once the extension is installed, you will see a database symbol on the left side menu bar. With this extension, you can easily connect to local MySQL instance or any remote MySQL instance. All the DML, DQL, DDL operations are allowed here. This tool is very handy who frequently uses MySQL database. So this was my top 5 picks of VS Code extensions. In the comment section, let me know what is your favorite VS Code extension. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the subscribe button if you have not done yet.